The French 75 is a classic cocktail combining gin, champagne, lemon juice, and sugar. It is known for its refreshing and effervescent qualities. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce gin, London dry gin is preferred. Half an ounce lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Half an ounce simple syrup, or to taste. 2 ounces champagne, chilled lemon twist, for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, champagne flute, jigger, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add gin, lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake vigorously until well chilled, about 10 to 15 seconds. Strain the mixture into a chilled champagne flute. Top with champagne. Gently stir with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a lemon twist. The French 75 was created in 1915 at the New York Bar in Paris, later known as Harry's New York Bar. It is named after the French 75mm field gun, known for its quick firing and powerful effect, much like the drink itself.